attract many visitors from all around the world every year. The shrine of Imam Reza, as one of the holiest places in Iran and the Islamic world, is not only a center for worship and pilgrimage, but also a profound symbol of Iranian culture and history. This sacred site serves as a place of peace and prayer for millions of pilgrims who come from all corners of the world in search of spiritual tranquility and meaning. Every corner of the shrine, with its magnificent architecture, offers visitors a sense of peace and spirituality. The shrine of Imam Reza, with its stunning architecture and golden dome, showcases beauty and grandeur. In this space, pilgrims can take a moment away from their daily worries and immerse themselves in deep spirituality. The soothing sounds of prayers and the whispers of the visitors create an atmosphere filled with love and hope, drawing in every heart. This sacred place is not only a site for worship, but also a space for rejuvenating the spirit and calming the mind. The shrine of Imam Reza, as a symbol of love and compassion, creates a deep connection among pilgrims, reminding us that together we can progress on our spiritual journey. The sound of prayers and supplications are awesome. Visiting the bazaar is a great way to meet the warm and hospitable people of Iran. The markets surrounding the shrine of Imam Reza, especially the Reza Market and the Sarshur Market, are recognized as popular shopping destinations for pilgrims. In these bazaars, you can find all kinds of handicrafts, spices, and local souvenirs. These markets are filled with a variety of products ranging from beautiful handicrafts and handmade rugs to spices and local sweets. Every corner of these markets is alive with the colors and scents of Iranian culture, where you can find unique souvenirs for yourself and your loved ones, taking home a memorable keepsake from this spiritual journey. Walking through these bazaars feels like traveling in time. Around the shrine of Imam Reza, there are many luxurious hotels that offer excellent facilities and services. These hotels provide a pleasant stay for pilgrims with comfortable rooms and beautiful views of the shrine. There are also budget options available, offering suitable services and easy access to the shrine, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable experience for visitors. This variety of accommodations allows every pilgrim to find an option that meets their needs.
che nel